is. Hey there, world. Welcome back to another one. No one's landed. I've been here for a few minutes, but I wanted to see. I can't tell what plane that is over there. That might be the one that I started with when I first started learning to fly here. I was doing the math. I should. No, I don't know. Doesn't matter. It's kind of crazy. Freaking, I think like 12 years ago. Yeah, dude, I'll bet you that's fucking. What was the tail number? 94569er, I think. And I wonder if I really want to be good with what do you call it? My editing. I could throw up a picture right about now. See if I do it. I don't know. Of me here in front of that plane, but not sure if we're gonna bother. Freaking like a 15-year-old me, 16-year-old me. I'm not digging, dude. Ah, shit. I should have fixed my freaking Bana before I left. I gotta pay attention to this sand. I hate sand. I hate it. No one's behind me. Should I just... Can we do this with the gloves on? That's the problem. It's annoying as fuck to do with the gloves on. Doesn't want to move. Okay, that should be good. Back the same way I came, so I don't think I will. I didn't swap my battery on my GoPro either, so I'm probably gonna just die out on me randomly if I were to bet. If I were to wager. If I was to wager, a dee da da dee ba, a doo do do boo ba, a dee da dee da boo boo da, a dee da dee dee boo ba. Sorry, I just got. I was just nervously making noise because that was definitely a cop, and I'm going 5 over, now 10 over, but this dude's on my buttocks. Nervous bebopping. Not beatboxing. Definitely not beatboxing. I'm not calling that beatboxing. Whatever that was. Well, fuck off, bro. Only I get to go fast when I want. So this is a cool little town, I think, if I do recall. No reason to come here unless you wanted to go here, but that doesn't mean it's not cool, right? Maybe there's a reason to come here. Maybe there's a nice restaurant or something. do it. Thank you. Yeah, text instead. Look at your phone while you gotta wait. That's smart. Whoa, 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 whoa. Backyard. Look at this. Go ahead, bro. I'm not gonna go, bro. I'm letting your lady go. Is he going? What the hell is he doing? I didn't want to be that guy, but I'll be that guy. Okay. No, not even like a hazard, or I just think that's dumb. I was trying to be nice there, dude. I should have just gone around him in the first place. I wasn't gonna beep, you know, not in the middle of the freaking town square or whatever. That was odd. Totally killed my vibe. Totally killed it. Boo. Massively unfun. Alright. Don't need to be that big, that much doom and gloom, but goddamn, I just like, I guess, who cares? That's an interesting house. I don't know where I'm going. Now I'm lost. Much as I like going around on these residential roads, I don't know where I'm going. So, damn, dude, it'd be so cool to like just live on this street. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. What do we think? I guess we'll go this way. Settled, 1635. I don't know where the hell I am, so I think I'm just going to call this one again. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. You came in hot, bro. You can go. Okay, thank you. At least he acknowledged it, maybe. Knew I didn't want to put my foot down. Alright, bye everybody.